hunting, they say. Shit.
It's been a while since we've been out there. Me and Marty are heading up to the Ruaheneis today. First time hunting the Ruaheneis. Trying to escape this shitty Wellington weather. It's been windy and rainy and whatnot. So 21 degrees in the Ruaheneis. We've got a little spot we're going to go up and try and get some deer.
Oh, he's got something. Yeah. He's got a rabbit.
4:30, the hunt begins.
Got the camera?
Marty's got his gay ass walking poles.
I wonder where they came from.
And we're off.
You flop.
Made it to the hut. Me and Marty have our own special wing.
A wing?
This is our bed for the night. 6 bed, there's 2 other people in there, they're going to sleep in that wing, and then me and Marty are just going to park up in here. How good. But you can see like the orange.
Oh shit.
Got my new pan from Timu. You missed it the first time. Already cooked mine. I forgot my plate, so I got my steak in my mug. There's another mug over there, you just can't really see him. Got some salt ready to go. Yum. What's that out of 10?
7.5.
7.5. Why do you give that rating?
Huh?
Why do you give that rating?
Because it tastes like a 7.5, not a 10.
Well, what defines a 7.5 rating for a steak?
So the 0.5 is the pan I can taste.
The Timu pan.
The other 0.5 is the steak was pretty fucking dusty. Yeah, that's it.
Nice. Good review, mate. Right, we've got Tay's homemade sourdough, which has made me and Marty here. And we're cooking it with a beef tallow, because that's all we got. And then we've also made some honey butter. This is a mixture of honey and butter together. It's going to melt on the bread and be absolutely delicious. That is for you, sir.
Oh, thanks, Brad.
Get it in here, mate.
Give us a rating there.
Because Taylor made it,
yeah, I was about
it's a 10 out of 10.
Good answer.
Homemade sourdough.
Who made that?
Taylor made it.
Oh, you said it was you.
It was Taylor made.
2 seconds ago, Bennett made it. Hey.
What's our rating out of 10?
10 out of 10. But if you made it, still 10 out of 10.
Nice. Look at
That's
that butter.
delicious.
Look at that butter dripping.
That is good.
Possum there.
It's coming.
But that torch is mean. We've got Tay's homemade cookies and some tan slice. So I'm going to dig into that. Yeah.
The boys are on.
Yeah. Yeah, start of day 2. Met a few people at the hut, 4 other people, pretty nice. A couple of 16-year-olds and an older couple. So we'll head back to that hut tonight, see who else is there. Let's get it. Windy as fuck today. Marty reckons it was howling all night long. Got here, Marty?
Some of my army rations.
Give us a look. Sweetened condensed milk. Oh, that looks filthy, bro.
Tastes good. Do you want it?
No, I'm all good. Made it to a good spot, but it's so windy. So you can probably hear how windy it is, but fuck, we found the perfect spot and it's just so windy. So we'll come for a little break. Marty shouted the bees. I'm gonna crack into that. Let's go. Just try and figure out where to go. Scoping out on the map. Where's the deer? I'm stuck in a pickle. Got some raindrops coming in. With the sun. That's where you got a monkey shower in South Africa. Beautiful conditions. Fun. Bosh. Marty's cramping up right at the top. I'm gonna climb a bit more. He's struggling. Bro, drink some electrolytes and fucking get up here, boy. Fuck off. The Boy Scouts said no go. There's a big drop off down there. Massive slip down there. So yeah, wish us luck. I'm terrified. That was sketchy as fuck. That was so sketchy in that wind.
Oh boy, never again. Never
Sunrise
again.
hut.
Go hunting, they said. Fuck.
Right, at least there's a... That's good to have a bit of safety. Get the adrenaline down. Sunrise hut. Pretty cool. Alright, bits everywhere. Thank you.
Whew, never coming back again.
We're going to put in how wild our journey was to get here and how we're thankful for these huts in the middle of the back country. Give us a bit of shelter. Windy.
Yeah, that's what everyone says.
Sad face.
Coffee time. Chocolate. I've got some snacks. What a hungers.
We came from that peak over there, pretty windy. There's our hut, a good 1 hour break. Now we're off back to Waipawa Forks hut. Okay, on a track, so it should be right. Marty's already cramped up.
No, I'm just dancing. Trip intention. Went to the tops, no deer. Went to the tops, got fucking blown back to London.
Finished the day by washing off in the river. It was pretty cold, but you always feel 100 times better after doing it. Bit of a recap of the trip. So first time in the Rohaneis, we didn't really know where to go. We found a few spots on the map that we thought we'd try out. We ended up sort of stitching ourselves up, going up some sort of steep manuka, shitty bush. Ended up getting to the tops and it was just ultra high winds, so that was a bit unlucky. But we did find some good spots, so if we do go back there and it's not as windy, I think it'll be alright. Marty there just enjoying his nice backcountry meal. It's the only venison he had for the weekend. The hut was cool. We had 6 people there on the second night. I think there was 5 women and 1 dude who slept in a tent. And yeah, we just sort of played cards and chilled. It was all good. And yeah, there was heaps of possums around the hut. So if anyone ever wants some possums, come take them out. Paddy Scroggins, that'll be one for you. So we saw a bit of sign when we were out there down low. We saw that one wallow and a bit of deer shit, but apart from that, once we got higher, we didn't really see anything, okay? So I wonder if they are sort of just chilling down by the river. There's a nice little slip there on the way out. We got up, I think, we left at 7 a.m. We had a 4-hour drive back home, so just wanted to get out of there. Next time we come in, we might just have to hunt the sort of lower areas rather than getting high. But yeah, that was another unsuccessful trip, a bit unlucky, and then had to stop for some raw milk on the way home. So at least we did get some goodness. But yeah, that's the Rohaneis trip done, and on to the next one, I reckon. If you made it this far in the video, you're an absolute legend. Like, subscribe, and comment, and all that jazz. See you on the next one.